What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Lexis here, and today is our very first nail vlog. So I prepped my nails all up yesterday, so we're gonna get right into just doing the set. Now before we get started, I'm gonna show you guys some goodies that I got from Temu that I'll possibly be using in my nail set today. I really don't know what direction I'm going into, so we're just going to wing it, but I'm excited because it's nail day. Hopefully this is the first of many, but like I said, I'm just going to show you guys some of the goodies that I got from Temu before we get started. So I really don't even know if this is a good angle, but we're just going to hope so. So we have the Temu pack right here. The first and foremost item that we'll be using is the soft gel tips that I got from Temu. It's the long oval. It's a count of 440. And they're basically pre-shaped tips. The pre-shaped tips. Hopefully Temu will love this video and actually give me some more nail goods, because I'm loving doing the little nail hauls. But anyways, so we'll be using these today. I've never done oval shaped or almond shaped nails, so this will be interesting. First time working with this shape. I also got the soft gel tips, these stilettos, but I didn't get the full cover. I thought I did, but I wasn't paying attention when I ordered them. So these ones are the ones that normally would be used if you're a poly gel or acrylic girly, which I am neither. I tried poly gel, didn't really work for me. Maybe in the future I will, so these are good to have just in case. Next, there is a huge bundle of chrome powder. So I'm not really gonna take all of them out, but you guys can clearly see there's a bunch of different colors of chrome, like every freaking color you can think of. Okay, next they gave me this little powder brush. I actually didn't even order this, but we'll take it. Next, I got two sets of like gems. So there's like some shiny ones, and then I have some that are similar to like a pearl. I think I'm gonna use these ones today, but we'll see. And then lastly, I got a couple of nail gems. So this one is the Barbie. Then I have cherries. And then there's glittery teddy bears. These three I probably won't use today, but definitely probably will be used in a later set. So let's get into it.
All right, so hopping right into it, I did add some texture to my natural nails before putting the gel on, but I usually do one coat of the gel glue on my nail first. I do go one by one just so that it doesn't get super messy and sticky, but after I do that first layer, I cure it on my natural nail, and then you guys will see me going in and etching the inside of my Gel X tips just so that the glue has something to stick to. So I lay a thin coat first, and then I put a little bead at the bottom, and then we're gonna apply that to my natural nail at an angle, just making sure that there's no bubbles, and cure. And that's basically the steps that I follow to apply the Gel X tips. Super easy instead of all that acrylic mess. And yeah, it's time to just start doing your own sets and stop paying $2,500 for a nail set. Thank you. So these videos are, like I said, for my girls who love bomb nails but are just tired of paying an arm and a leg. Get you some nail supplies at the house and do them yourself. Alright, so now that all the nails are on, I like to go in with my lamp and then just cure it for another 60 to 90 seconds. Next I'm going in with these slanted nail clippers. I was really struggling because the nails were just getting bulky and I wanted like a more of a tapered look. So I used the nail clippers to kind of like taper them a little bit. and then I'm just gonna go in and file them off the camera because I was struggling, but you guys will see how it ended up looking. The nails are on, and I'm just going in with this nail bit, basically cleaning it up a little bit for the little gel that kind of came out at the top, because I don't really want any bubbles at the top of my nail. After that, I'm just going in with this bit and I'm basically getting rid of all the shine so that the gel polishes have something to stick to. You want to make sure you do this before you get to painting because the gel is going to peel right off. So I'm going in with this Nail Addict polish. I love Nail Addict. They have like such a huge color variety, and then their polishes are like super bomb and just like high quality. But I did about 2 coats of that, and I went ahead and cured it, and then we're gonna get into the design. So I'm using the chrome powder that I got from Temu. There was like a silverish goldish looking one, so I used that one first, and then I went in with the blue chrome and put that on the middle, just so that it can give like a bluish but like silver goldy type of look. For the second nail, I'm going in halfway up with the pink chrome, and this is going to be the nail that I do my seashell on, so that's why I wanted to do like the ombre look. So for the bluish chromy looking nail, I went in with my rhinestone glue. This is going to be the holy grail as far as like 3D nail designs. And I was kind of just winging it. I kind of did like a little swirly little design, and it actually came out pretty cute. Now when you use the rhinestone glue, you can use a brush, but I just use it with the container. Now I'm creating my seashell, so I'm kind of doing like a glob at the edge of the nail and then kind of like just dragging it back so it thins out, and it kind of gives like this seashell kind of vibe. So I'm really happy about how that turned out. Next, for the pinky nail, I went fully in with the blue chrome, and then I did a top coat over top of that because I'm going to do another design that's going to have chrome on top of that, and I don't want it to stick. So going in with the rhinestone glue, I'm kind of doing like this freehand little shape. I'm going to cure it, and then we're going in with the gold on the thumb. For this thumb design, I actually seen this trick on TikTok. You put the chrome on first and then go in with the rhinestone glue, do your design, and then get some alcohol and rub off the excess chrome, and it actually keeps the chrome in place and it's less messy. So I would say definitely try this out. Like, you guys will see the extra chrome coming right off, but where I want it to stay, it stayed. The thumbnail is actually my least favorite nail in this set, but I did go ahead and add some silver on there, and then I'm going in over my little design on my pinky, putting a little chrome, and then we're going in with the rhinestone glue on the ring finger, and I'm just using that to place my pearls onto the nail because what's a seashell without a pearl? Okay, so I'm going in with the finishing touches. I'm just adding 2 little dots, and I'm going to add 2 pearls on top of the seashell, and then a pearl on the pinky as well. Alright, then I just went in and added a couple of pearls and a little bit of the shiny diamonds to the thumb to just make sure it wasn't too plain looking. Like, it looked just too plain, so I just added something on there in the middle. But after all these steps, I do cure, and with the rhinestone glue, you want to work pretty quick because the pearls will start like falling off and sliding all over the place. We literally have reached the end. I'm just going in with a little bit more pink chrome because I feel like it faded a little bit, but that's pretty much it for this set. And I repeated the same exact steps on the opposite hand, just with different colors. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first DIY nail set vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for another one.